Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with 3 essentials: a neutral light source, a soft modifier, and correct subject distance. Place yourself facing the window or a 5600K LED at eye level. This avoids shadows and preserves true color. Once done, hang a thin white sheet or use a diffuser panel between you and the light to scatter rays. Make sure the fabric sits evenly to prevent hotspots. Position the chair 60 to 90 centimeters from the light so makeup details are visible without flattening your features. Now refine the geometry and softness. Tilt the key light to about a 45-degree angle above eye line. This sculpts cheekbones while preserving depth. Once set, place a reflector or white foam board on the opposite side to fill shadows subtly without eliminating contour. Make sure it's low intensity compared to the key. If the light still reads harsh, add 1/2 stop of diffusion or bounce the LED off a white wall to create even, flattering skin tones and to prevent shine on the forehead and nose. Finish by confirming color and detail. Use a white card to set custom white balance at your camera or phone so foundation and undertones display true. Then check makeup through a 2x zoom or magnified mirror to spot mist blending. Once done, make small adjustments. Lift the key light 10 degrees to reduce under-eye shadows or bring the reflector closer to soften contrast. If things still look off, one quick troubleshooting tip: change only one variable at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.